All right, let's go. What's the deal, gang? What's up? Hey, pretty lady. Ooh, you brought him. You brought him with you? You want a seat? Hold on, I got something for you. Give me a sec, chat. All right, what goes on? People at the Zoom door. Come on in. Avex Top Step, hold the metals trading. I heard. I have not heard anything from Top One regarding the matter, so I think I believe everything is fine. At this point, they have not reached out to me. Hey, Reggie, the candle. They don't want to lose money. I don't know. How are you? Can you please check on a DM in Discord that I sent? Oh man, you know the amount of DMs I have in Discord. Ooh. Yeah, I mean, somebody will get to it. People will check it at some point and reach out to me. You don't lose money. You know, people are still blowing account. The one are winning big. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. I believe as your New York session goes today, I gave out a W, went break even, and my trade had BE. The majority of the stream won like 400 pips. Yay! Even though people are still blowing account. Close! Slow down, slow down. Are these colors different? What's going on? Where's your wrench? Why do I see a shield? Why is there a shield? Does anyone else see a wrench? I see a bright blue and a shield. What's that all about? They've been switching from shields and wrenches last time. Oh, that's what people were talking about. The shield, yeah. All right. Los Knight, Mr. Knight. Hey, careful over there. Careful, don't pull any of the wires, okay? So.
Think it might continue higher.
What was that?
You think the market might continue higher?
We're at a level that's going to make a decision. Let's go into a breakdown here. Thank you, Sam, for moving us along. Hope everything's well. I saw you showed up pretty late for New York session, but we just ended. So the daily closed bullish, and we are pushing up here with no bottom wick. Target somewhere at the wick fill. 4 hour also close bullish. No bottom wick. At some point, I think we come down there, grab those orders. This 4 hour or the next. 1 hour. 1 hour is just top wick, bottom wick. Not really much direction. But the previous 1 hour is bullish, so we're still bullish. We have clean range to come up here to 50.76 on the 1 hour. And because this entire candle a wick, probably a range on a smaller time frame, which it is. Let's go to the 15 here, the 30, the 15. Yeah, the 15 is better. So we have clear and identifiable level we rejected off of there. At the bottom of this range that we're creating right here. What are you grabbing there? Please stop destroying stuff off my desk. Do you want anything? You want a toy? You want this hat? All right, just don't drop any of that, okay? I know, I saw you took everything. Be careful, be careful, be careful, careful. Don't put it next to the wires. Okay, you can take it for a little bit. If I can ever find it, no, that would be bad. You know, this looks good. I mean, we just need some closures either above or below this range. We were just hopping on here, but this looked halfway decent here for Reggie in this late candle. Look at that, right? Late candle. I don't know how it does not look that great on the 30 as you're pushing up there, right? For celery play. Yeah, 1 hour fill in the wick. That's a bit scary, but 15, great indication. So works again. Sam.
Yeah, no, I missed that late candle. I missed it.
You're too loud, Sam. What was that, Reggie? You missed it?
Yeah, I was saying I got to the charts too late. I missed it.
Yeah, I kind of saw it as I was hopping on. New mod.
I'm here at the gym listening to you guys.
What was that? What'd you say?
I said I'm at the gym over here listening to you guys.
At the gym? Nice.
Yeah.
Put it on their main screen. Put it on their entire.
Yeah, it's got a lot of TVs out here.
That's what I'm saying. Let's fucking do it.
Let's go. It's up 2 weeks.
Can you show me the 1 minute chart for a couple of minutes? The 1 minute chart for 2 straight candles? Bruh.
How about no?
Can't do that. Why do we have shields and where's the wrench? You are now defenders of the realm. You're gonna need shields more than you need the wrenches. I have no idea. I don't know what this shield thing. I don't even know if that's a shield. Maybe it's a cube. Right? And we just don't see the inner part. Maybe it's a tesseract. We don't know. We need to go meal before I defend a realm. The wrench probably offended someone. Ooh. What Karen called that in? You're welcome. Did you put the iPad on charge? If you haven't, go put it on charge, please. If you didn't do it, go put it on charge, please. Thought a dodgeball for something, or the 5Ds of dodgeball. No, it's not. Leave it over here, please. Stop messing around. Gotta concentrate. You want to watch some? You want to see next time? No, that's hidden away. It's hidden away. Yes, it is.
You have it.
No, I don't have it.
Yes, you do.
No, it's in the safe.
What thing?
In the tower. In the tallest tower of the tallest castle in a land far, far away. I can't go that far? I can fly that far. Alright. Oh, there we go. Go put your iPad on charge, then I'll tell you. Go. I'm gonna help you. Got it? You want the... What kind I just have? The roll up? The roll up? You can take. You can have the roll up. Okay. Just close it because it's loud over there. Interrupt. What's up with the 23 likes? How can you watch this guy and not even show some love if you like? You probably got to refresh your screen. I don't know. I only see one like. I was the first one to like. A little slow here. The session just started. We technically start at 8, right? Just a heavy drop off the rip here. Stuck in a 15-minute range. Have not had a closure outside it. Once we get a closure, we will look to tell here if we can get a closure below here. Hopefully it doesn't run just yet. Hopefully we're able to close below. We'll attempt to come back up into the range. If it fails, we'll come down. If it holds support here, we'll look to retest the top of the range. Very simple. Right now, 61. People, it's gonna be a shorter stream again today. I gotta run early, but I think tomorrow we'll run a long one. Usually people show up after 9:30, 10. Usually we peak in viewers at around 10:30 usually for the next 4 hours. But the peak of the session, you know, that doesn't determine when the peak of the session is, which is 8 to 10 p.m. But we'll see what happens. More people at the Zoom door. Fill up, fill up, fill up, fill up, fill up. Yeah, I'd like to see us get a closure here. Previous 30 closed below the most recent 30. Most recent 30 support. Breaking the previous 1 hour. Yeah, I'd be a bit skeptical here. You might see a 1 hour seller replay because the higher time frame range here. Still, right? The 4 hour level is still up here. 50.72. Even steeper. 77. Let's see what happens. If we can establish some kind of support here, I would like to come up here to retest the top of the range and ideally for the 1 hour celery so we could have some decent runners to the top here. Options you got in here, bottom wick? We need a bottom wick on a 4-hour. We don't necessarily need one. We just need to form a support. Like we've been driving here. So this needed a correction to form a support. If we can form a support here and start re-breaking highs, we can be a part of that. This stupid 300 something. The 1 hour. Yeah, we need some smaller time frame bullish closures to confirm that that's what we want to be doing right now in order to. Just all we did was just rip down off the beginning of the session. Yo, Benny. Why use a futures prop account versus we need a we need a Nightbot command to respond to that because we enter that so many times so often that it's just like tough. We trade futures. I trade a live account on futures also, right? Not just a prop. I just chart on here. But futures centralized, right? No broker manipulation. Every broker gets the same feed from the central exchange, right? From the CME. It's regulated. No one's running off with your money. It's a lot more user friendly, right? Trading experience better. There's lower spread. There's no slippage. There's it's cheaper to open and close a position, right? So to buy and sell, I pay roughly half the price than it was on the spot price, on spot gold price. So I mean, for every one of those reasons, right? It's the user experience overall is much better on futures, more convenient, just overall better, cleaner. How many more reasons do you want? Futures broker days. I use AMP futures for my live account, and I use Top 1 futures for the funded. And this used to be a funded. Now it's a live. I don't know. I don't even know what a pre-live is. I don't even think it matters. What up? G Lion? Glenn? G. Oh, you G. Brastelia. What's the deal, Ski? Been a long time. Been a left. Why do I see a hair on my mic, yo? What? Gotta be one of mine. At some point, I must have like swung on my locks. Come on, 4 hour. There goes. How many riding themselves? No closure yet. We have not closed yet. Damn, Rich. He's not far from flipping. Yeah, coming down for that bottom wick. Benny, relax. You gonna feed him? You gonna feed him? He's making noises. All right, you can take him. You can take him. All right. Go to some door. Come on in.
How are you doing, brother?
Hey, what's up, man?
Doing well.
Home early tonight, huh?
Yeah, I'm chilling now.
Dude, Penny's into some space over there.
Floating above you.
I'm with you, Kenny. Holy shit, bro. What the fuck was that? Well, I just activated my sell stop, 65 pips in profit in 1 second and closed.
Yep. They ain't gonna count it.
What the? What did I come back to, bro? Holy shit. That calls for another blunt.
You closed?
Whoa. Well, it hit my TP.
You need a bigger TP.
Holy shit. What the f... All right. Let me roll up a blunt.
Done for the session? All right, see you later. Up in here. What's up, bro? What the fuck? Done for the session. Later.
No, I'm gonna hang out. I miss you guys.
Yeah, instant smack TP. Of course. Close the door, please. Thank you. Choppy as hell tonight. I'm out. Sound like one of like a shark. For that reason, I'm out.
It's definitely a no for me, dog. It's definitely a no for me, dog.
How far is 30.2? 12, I think. Like 12 subs away from 30.2. I think we could get it tonight. Come on, gang. It's a 30.2. I'd rather, honestly though, I'm more focused on getting a W than 30.2 at the moment.
Holy crap, how far we've come trading gold, where a 5-minute candle was like 20 pips and now a 1-minute candle is 130 pips. 177. What the hell, bro? I love this. I love trading.
I knew that was coming. Let's just see what happens. Four spots to get rid of this type of price action. Yeah, I think Eddie's just gonna buy a prop firm next week. Blew 100k eval. I got another one. I got it on the max. I can win. Did this shit start to not affect me? I think I passed the 50k. Gotta double check. Acknowledge, otherwise I wouldn't be here. Where are we stopping over here, gang?
Yeah, I'm starting a new prop firm called JOB Funding. I'm taking applications.
4956. I'm seeing a level. It's the next
Rush.
area of liquidity.
Oh, your headphones. Nice candle. I mean, we'll wait. Let's structure form. Hear me say this every time. Let's structure form. We got a level here. We got a level here. Let's see what happens at these levels. Do we hold? Do we break? If we smash through them, will we create new levels? There we go. There's a tap. Smash through it. Not a level I'm too excited about. Wow, the daily's flipped here. Yeah, give me a sec. I want to help my younger one. She needs a charger.
That was a good level.
You know, I was always curious in this group who also trades full time, or everybody's just part time trading.
I didn't hear most of what you said.
Me either. Wait, I think you asked if is there anybody in this group that's full-time trading or is everybody part-time trading?
That's
Yeah, there's, yeah. If anybody does
I don't know
full-time
that
trading as well.
information on everybody. I don't know. It's
I'm
So
just curious.
most of the people that are making a lot of money have multiple businesses. Like I have an air conditioning company with my cousin. Some of the other guys here own properties. Some of the other guys here like are producers for like videos and stuff. So like generally people that make money trading, that's probably not the only thing they do.
That or job funding.
Yeah. Well, I have a delivery service business, but yeah, I'm just curious.
I'm a janitor like Wix.
Nine times out of 10, a trader also has another source of income.
I mean, it's debatable because it's a profession. So if you really want to take it to the next level, I think it'll be focused on trading. That's just how I see it. Any profession. I come from the business side, so
Well, at least I
can't be
don't know
half-
anybody.
you can't really be half in and half out, in my opinion.
Doesn't really take that much time.
Yeah, I mean, but if you're dealing with big money, then yeah, it's different level.
No, you can do a lot
the
of
biggest
things, bro.
advantage to trading is the amount of time it frees up. So if you're able to do this, the most successful people that I've talked to, the people that really do this is a very minor part of their day. And because it frees up so much time while replacing income, people really have a lot of time to focus on new ideas, on investments, on just, you know, things outside of their realm that they usually wouldn't focus on if they were just consumed with one thing, you know, just I gotta make money. No, at some point, like when you're learning, yeah, this has to be prioritized. But when you're when this is your job, like you said, like you got to be all in, and at some point, this is what you're doing, then it's just going to create a lot of time freedom. That's going to force you to think about other things outside of trading. It's the natural order of things, natural flow of things. That's just a stage you go through, a level you go through where it just, other things are going to have to consume your time outside of like, shit, how do I make some money? You've already done that, right? You worked for 2 hours today. You worked for 3 hours today. You don't have to consume the next 12 hours thinking about how to make some money and get groceries done. You're going to have no choice but to think about other shit.
Yeah, like trying to solve this fucking Rubik's Cube.
Oh, my daughter solved it yesterday. The 3x3? She did it yesterday.
No, I'm dumb. I got the 2x2.
She's 8.
Dude, this one's just sitting here. I'm not even looking at it. I've solved it a couple times. I'm just trying to figure out what I did.
YouTube. Go to YouTube.
I learned a couple things off YouTube, but it's a little difficult. At least for me, I'm fucking dumb.
This 1 hour candle. Where are you going? The 2x2 doesn't even count. Word.
Hey, bro, leave me alone. It counts for me.
That's not a Rubik's Cube. It's a
cube with Rubik's qualities.
Is that shit even turning, or did you just took a little box, drew some fucking edges around it?
Nah,
Colored
I
it.
got
Oh, it's
that
turning.
side,
Yeah,
that
it's
side.
legit.
I got the white side. I got almost every side except for these. So I just gotta figure out how to swap these two, and then I solved it.
It's a 2x2 cube. 2x2 cube. 2x. Or a quad cube.
Yeah, bro,
Like
better
my
off peeling the stickers and replacing them. That's
like
fine.
my uncle right now is learning how to trade. So he's at the office. He works for a couple hours, and now he's just chilling, learning how to trade. He's trying to pass the 50K account.
Where's the iPad?
Well, he learned off of YouTube and shit.
Alright, cool.
But doesn't take that much time. Like I could be done for the night within 3 minutes.
Hey. Yeah, somehow. All right, we're getting a 30 closure here. Good stuff. I have to retest these lows here. This fucking 1 hour takes off. Oh man, made the bottom wick for both these candles. Ideally, we retest the lows here. The 1 hour level here. Hey, can you stop messing with that? It's going right into my microphone, and I hear it in my headset.
My bad.
Oh no, it was not you guys.
Oh.
My daughter's riding around on the computer chair.
I thought you could hear my microphone, but I had it muted. I was like, oh shit.
No. It's 30 to come back down, but man, 1 hour. Daily was bullish. We just came down, created that bottom wick for the daily, right? Filled the body. We could continue back up here, technically. Not much of a top wick on the hourly. He messing with you? Close the door, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for bringing it back. Thank you for bringing it back.
Wait, let's do this. No, like this. Yeah, like.
Go. Go ahead. Go.
Wait, you like.
Do it.
Like.
Go. What are you looking for price? I would like to have a top wick sell right here. Right? Previous 4 hours bullish though, which would mean we can still come up here on the 4 hour. The 1 hour tapped a strong level, bounced up above here. I would have liked to have a 30 sell here, but I believe this can push up here. If it doesn't, if it comes down heavily off of here, fine. I'm gonna need a bearish closure at one of these resistances. Maybe we come up here. 50.08, 50.10 and hold here. Maybe we slingshot down right now. But I'd want a bearish closure that I can utilize as a stop. Especially with the fact that the previous 4 hour was bullish and we just grabbed these orders and we can absolutely continue on our merry way up. You like New York session better than Asian? I like them both. They each have their own characteristics, their own nuances. It's interesting. I find them interesting. You gonna go make some food? Go ahead. Go right ahead. Don't be threatening me. Oh, you guys want to play? Hell yeah, I want to play. Is this stream live? Whatever, bro. Yeah, it's not doing anything exciting. Pre-recorded. Yep. Wait, be patient. Let these candles close up. I'm just analyzing in my head, seeing what makes sense. Needed a moment. Sometimes you just need some silence, right? We yap about on and on and on all the time. Sometimes you just need a wind down session. Damn, I drank so much water today. I need me a mode session. Four minutes on this 15 to close. Give me a couple minutes. I want to go. Gotta piss like a racehorse, to be honest. Be right back. How's your pregnant girl doing, bro? What? Oh, yeah, yeah. That you were taking shots at him. Thought it was one of those like, "How's your wife and my kids" type of shit. Correct me if I'm wrong, but if the 30 flips bearish, would taking sells to fill that 30-minute valid? Would it be valid? Got a 470 pip stop. Oh yeah, the wick fill would be valid. With a 470 pip stop. Risk wouldn't be valid. Yeah, gold keeps getting buyers right now. I might keep buying. Doing well since the boy, it's easier pregnancy. Really? I thought boys were bigger. Damn. Took all those orders. Imagine how many people had the daily flip there. I'm sorry, the 4 hour? No, I'm sorry. The break of the hour? When did I have my first child? When I was born. I had to deal with myself for a long ass time. But my oldest daughter is a teenager, so 20. Well, I was 28. 20. Yeah, 28. No, I had to do math first. I had to carry the 1, subtract the 4. Where's on Kenny? Kenny might take over the stream in like 20 minutes while I dip somewhere. I don't know. He's somewhere. Eddie, hey, I got the. Yeah, we got the redeem team. Amp is killing me with the margin requirements. Tell me what's going on. Did you get a trade called on you? To make my sense of trying to lock in on price action trading on top of what I know. Yeah, sure. I was looking at a top Excel, but with this hourly, scary. Some closures. $12 minutes for the 1 hour candle here.
It was a really nice 5 blade candle. It just filled, but it's only a 5, so I didn't take it.
I just saw I'd open a trade. Drop your risk. Lower the lots. Very simple. Greece from Asia. Greece. What's the setup now? Wait. Chill. Exactly. Chill. Just chill. Right now, I'm waiting. You're waiting. We're all waiting.
I'm waiting on the Stairmaster. Kicking my ass.
How long you been on it? Better yet,
25 minutes.
I was gonna say, better yet, what floor you on?
Fuck. Level 10, 25 minutes in.
Nice.
Oh, fuck.
You don't have the wobbles.
Yeah, I usually do steam sauna and cold plunge after too.
Oh, you're gonna be chilling. You
Yeah,
don't
it
feel like
works.
a Greek
I'm
god
telling you.
tomorrow.
I'm telling you, when it comes to like trading, what we do, it is a life hack. Steam cold plunge. And there is something behind it.
Yeah, the longest I can go in a cold plunge is 15 seconds. And I'm out. World record.
I don't have a record. Never time myself in a cold plunge. I've always gotten the fuck out as soon as I go in.
Well, I know because I try to record a video to post on Instagram because I'm a woman sometimes. And the video was 30 seconds long, and half of that was me contemplating going in.
Yeah, I timed myself one time. I mean, I almost felt like I died. I fucking did 33 minutes.
Dude.
33 is fucking insane.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I came out wobbling, literally wobbling. I didn't feel nothing. My brain was dead.
Chris Chelios, I remember, used to train, the hockey player, in the sauna. He'd be sitting on a bike in the sauna.
Like, bro, it's 65 right now in Florida, and I have a blanket on when I'm sitting down at my desk.
Yeah. I got a hoodie.
I'm just so used to 100-degree weather year long. When I go into anything cold, it just kills me. Like, I'm so used to the heat, sometimes I get in my car and I don't turn the air conditioning on. And then I'm like, oh shit, I should probably turn it on.
I don't know if I could do humidity like you guys do.
Your body just gets used to it.
Does it?
Because
Yeah.
it's uncomfortable.
Yeah, when I went to Florida, in the summer. Oh my God. There's no way. I was dying.
It's only fun for those of us that are used to it.
Yeah. Yeah, I got like, what do we got? Like 20 degrees here right now. That's fuck.
The high today was 72 and I still had a hoodie on.
Yeah, next week we're going to Death Valley out there with the family. Go visit some liberals in California.
Don't start any fires, bro. Minus 14 in Toronto.
Don't catch the liberal disease over there. Don't talk to anybody, actually.
Matter of fact,
Yeah.
don't even go there.
I have to. We're going with the whole family. We already planned it out, so I gotta
Yeah.
take them. We're going.
Pretend you're deaf.
Yeah. I went to, I remember when I went to California one time. It was literally a culture shock for me. Different people. It's like a different world out there.
That's what I hear a lot about people when they say when they come to Florida. But like I've been to like North Carolina and New York. and a
No.
couple of
People
states
have
in
played
between.
GTA so much over the last 20 years. That's like a owner's manual to moving to Florida. They're pretty prep.
I'm like, I'm just used to people in Florida. This is normal. I don't think people are rude. People open the door for me all the time, everywhere I go.
Yeah. I mean, to me, it's normal too. When I went to Florida, I felt the same because I'm here in Chicago. I mean, it's very similar with the people.
$15 doesn't know what he wants to do. Nobody knows what he wants to do. There's 4 minutes left here. Yeah, you can take that. That's a chocolate bar.
Hey, wait, so I got the book map, the Global Plus. So I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna check it out. We'll see what's out there.
What's it
If
cost?
it does anything. I actually got a good deal. Oh, good deal. I took the whole year, and they sent me like the promo, 500 for Global Plus.
Do you know how to use it? Now you gotta pay somebody
Yeah.
to learn how to use it.
No, I know. I've been playing around with it before. I just gotta pay for that data, the bookmap data, the CME. That's the only thing.
I hope this shit helps. I want to see it in action. I hope it.
Yeah, we'll see. That's what I want to see. I want to check it out. I want to see the way we trade. I want to see how it reacts on the bookmap and what I'm seeing.
Yeah, as long as this is the order you go in. First, you know, learn the price action, and then add on anything else on top of it as a confirmation. Not like learn a bunch of confirmations and indicators, and then add price action. You need to
Yeah, I
have
look
knowledge
at
of price
bookmap.
action.
I do look at
Right.
bookmap, but I use it for if there's a lot of orders in a certain area and I'm looking to target that area. It just gives me more confidence. Okay, cool. My setup is probably going to work a little bit better, or a higher
Right.
probability. But I don't look
Yeah,
at it.
no-
I don't use it to say, okay, I see a bunch of orders at 50.13. I'm going to set a limit at 50.13 because there's orders there. I look at candles first.
Oh, yeah, 100%. That's what I'm saying. So it's like the way we trade. I just want to throw it on top and see, you know, what it's showing me.
It's just pure orders, so it's definitely not messy or anything like that. It's not lagging either. It's just pure orders.
Right.
You can just kind of see, like, if the candle pushes up off of support, you'll see a big ass red bubble. That's a big ass order that just confirmed. And then if you see a bunch of like heat, like little lines at the top, you'd be like, okay, maybe that's the guy's TP or something like that. And then you can see kind of like a TP and a stop loss kind of sometimes. So it's kind of cool if you look at it while you're trading.
Right, that's exactly, because I've noticed for myself, it's this mental thing, like what's going on behind the scene and shit. So I've noticed the book map, I guess, eases my.
Because if everybody puts their stop loss below, I don't know, the lows now, you'll see it there. It'll pop up. It'll be a massive red, like section there, and you're like, wow, big green bubble. A guy tried to buy, and then you see the red just spam.
The green
huge
bubble
red.
guy.
So that's how I think. I'm like, damn, I seen a green bubble, a guy bought, and then you can see the guy's kind of stop loss at the bottom, and when it takes it, the red bubbles just start stacking up afterwards, and you're like, wow, they just ran his stops.
Right.
But I don't use it to trade like off that alone. Some people do, and I'm like, no, that's crazy. I need to see these candles. I like.
I see people, and they that's all they do is use book map, nothing else.
That's confusion to me.
No, it's wild, though, like the way they do it.
This is 18 pips from my limit sell.
Let me see. Which one? Where? This? Oh, I can't turn it on here. Go over there. Go to the other TV. Another replay coming down here. We haven't established anything yet. The weak bullish closure. The hourly's bearish. Right at this level. Interesting. Wonder what we hold. Come on. Show your hand. Something here is... Someone here is lying. Time frames are not aligning. Yeah, I concur. I like the buys on the break of the 1 hour. Kind of like him too. I like him even more off a bottom wick. Yeah, you figure this is where it rejects, right at this level. From here it would come up. Anything lower than that, it'll break these lows, head down. This should be the last attempt. Right. Tapped into it, but it's a weak level. Look for that entry. 1 hour actually, level 2 there. Yeah, if I have any kind of limit buy it today, that's where it's going to be. Thought about the 4 hour here. It's tough with the celery play. Likely we see a bounce here. Let's see. No top wick on the hourly. My issue is every time we sink here, it just drives through here. There's no reaction to the level. Just sunk straight through. Right. Some there. Does it break this previous hourly? Do we get a 4 hour celery play? I've seen this come back up quite often. Deleted it, didn't get activated, don't like it anymore. Yeah. A lot of range here. There's a lot of wick to fill here to the downside. But the even better wick, the even better range to fill is to come back up here and fill this. Better.
Yeah, this thing's gonna dump, I think.
I gotta run here in 5 minutes. Hoping to get an entry. Four hour here, right? Yep. I don't know why I deleted that. Four hours is scary wick though.
At 4935, there's more sell side liquidity. Be like solid level. See a reaction from.
I'm grasping the 3 evals. W. Goes, breaking the lows there. 4 hour celery. Who's here? You guys might have to hold it down for like a half hour.
You got it, bro.
I want to know what kind of hell we're melting to. Oh, it tapped it. It tapped it in a split second. Don't fucking do this to me. I did not expect that right now. I was waiting on this 15 to close and put that buy stuff. That's fucking crazy. Did it fucking tap like that? Yeah, wanted to see that 15 close. Too close to the 15. I was just waiting on the 15 closure. It was like a few seconds. I was like, yeah, as soon as it closes, we're looking up for a bottom wick immediately off of there. Sick. Because now it's retesting. It could re-break it. Yeah. Plumb it down. That sucks. Don't forget, gang. Tomorrow, New York session, and we're running a long Asian session. I'm gonna run. Tonight might keep it short. I was gonna say I'm gonna leave somebody here. You guys can chill here, but I think I'm gonna take it to the signal channel. That sucked. I was hoping this next 15 takes us out. Maybe I'll be a bit late. Call it. I was already looking.
So are you coming in earlier tomorrow, or you're staying longer?
I'm gonna stay longer. Might be in earlier too. I'm gonna be there probably 7:30 till probably 11.
Nice. Bet.
Do the first hour of the new 4-hour through. Looking at it, right? The 30 pulls up here. The 15's retested this level. I get another off the 30. Yeah, I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna wait on this 4-hour closure. I think the next 4-hour gonna be able to push us up. I really think that there's a possibility for the next 30 to have some entries to come up and flip this hourly. But I gotta wait the 12 minutes here, and I just can't. I gotta dip. Put some shoes on, kiddo. Yeah, really good closure coming up here. Depending on what this candle does, you might see a next candle bottom wick here, depending on how this closes, and then a drive up. So if I were you, I would be looking to still get these positions in, probably at 49.26 to 49.20 areas. If a bottom wick opens up first, but you got to see how this candle closes. You got to really see how the next candle opens up, right? If you grab a bunch of orders right now and come back down below range here, it's going to be a little tough. All right, gang, I'm gonna run. I'm gonna call it in the signature. Hey, maybe I come back and we'll restart this, depending on how soon I come back. I might come back after 10 and we'll restart it. That's a possibility. I want to see how this is setting up, but I gotta run for now. I appreciate you guys coming through. Tomorrow, full sessions. All right, all day, full sessions. So,
Sounds good, bro.
yeah,
Take it
please
easy.
drop a like, sub to the channel. If I'm back, I'll restart the stream in about an hour. Other than that, thank you guys for coming through. If I see something, I'll call in the signal channel as
Thank
always.
you, Wix.
All right.
I'll see you.
Yeah, if
See you.
I'm gonna really try to get back. See what we can do tonight. See you guys in a bit, or maybe tomorrow. All right, thank you, gang. Oh yeah, as for me, my time here is up, and just like that, another Asian session is in. I think that was the fastest outro ever.